What's up everyone, welcome back to another video, and this video I'm going to talk about how to download Call of Duty Warzone on your laptop or a PC and how we can do this. So let me directly get into a step one by one. So the first one is all about, we just need to go over here on a Google Chrome, and here we need to search here for Call of Duty. Have to search for Call of Duty, then search for the Warzone and click on this one. And if you go over here, you can see we have this option, that is callofduty.com, that is official one. So you have to select this one, and that's going to take you to this. And now from here, what we need to do is we just need to scroll down, and we have various options like Xbox, Windows, Battle.net, and PlayStation and Steam. So the first one, we need to go over here and click on the Battle.net. So what happens is it is going to redirect you to this. And from here, it will take a little bit of time, and afterwards you can see the Battle.net will be downloaded here. So you'll be seeing this particular icon. Now just go over here in the File Explorer, navigate to the downloads and click on Battle.net. Now just click on this one. So it is actually an installation process file where you have to install it. So this is what you have to do. Now most probably the Battle.net will be installing, so we just need to go over here once again and right click on this one so that it will be installed. So it will take a couple of minutes because the setup has to be run. So over here, as you can see, it is over here. So it says, which is another Battle.net is already running, which means I'm already having the Battle.net. So if you're not having the Battle.net, you have to right click, you have to install it. But if you're having the Battle.net, just open the Battle.net. And here there are a few things. Some users might be already having the account on a Battle.net. For some users, they may not be having the Battle.net. So if that is the case, if you don't have the Battle.net and you're trying to download this for the first time, this is what you have to do. You have to download and install it. So if you're already having the Battle.net, like it said, it is already there. Just go over here. Now you need to select any one of these social media accounts to sign in. So I'm using the Google Chrome over here so that my email ID and password will be set up on this. So I can just click over here and it will be logged in over here. So it is going to take you to another page where I have to give the details like my email ID and all those things. So I have to give the email ID and go for submit. So it has sent a code over here, which code I have to just use it. So they have just sent me a code. I'm checking it with my email ID. So as you can see, I have received a code that is PWQQ52, and just go to submit. Right, so right now it says you can return to the Battle.shop over here, so it will be logged in. So while logging it, you have to keep sure one thing, that you should not be, if sometimes when the code will be sending back to your spam email ID, so that is also very important, so you have to check. So this is actually a platform where you can get all the Battle.net games. So just go to the games over here at the top. Now from here, if you go to all games, you can see these are the available games which are all from the Battle.net. And right now you have to go over here and click on the Call of Duty, and now you can just click on play for free, and it is going to ask you for this. Now we need to give a date of birth. So I have to give my date of birth from here. So select the every details over here and you have to give the details, and now go. So you can just, so there is one thing that you need to verify your mobile number. So once you have to verify it, after you're done with this one, you have to click over here, select everything which is asking, and if you go for the continue, there is one thing that you need to take care of it. You should be selecting not everything. You have to select only the needed one. For me, I'm only needed the Warzone, so I have to select the Warzone and I have to go for start install. And it says I need around 175 GB, so just make sure that you're having the space and you have to download and install it. That's what it is, and I hope this video is helpful.